Oh, the sun, dog.
Or no service.
Yeah, this is a perfect moment to kiss, dude. We're both glowing.
You can kiss me. You can go for it. I'm right here. What's up?
I'm just kidding. Wait, this kind of cat. Look at us, dude. We're glowing. Oh, you're blocking my sun, man. Okay. Yeah, the moment's gone, dog. The moment's gone.
You got me worked up for nothing.
On my phone. Oh, shit.
Clothing. Or want to just get food?
Yeah, I don't give a shit. Tell him, ask him where we're going. I don't fucking
Let's see. Fancy food. I'll just type that. Fancy food. Let's see. I know there's some nice food places around here that are very fucking interesting to eat at.
So put your seatbelt on, homie.
Yeah, we just ran away from the motherfucking law. Fuck it.
Alright.
I don't give a shit anymore.
Trying to save your life, dog.
It's only the police. I'm joking. Yo, what's going on here? I'm so confused. Oh, nothing. We're just, chilling, dude. They want us to kiss now. You brought it up. Now we gotta do it.
I mean, we'll do it later, though.
What the fuck?
Alright, you want to do it right now?
Mm-hmm.
I'm driving, homie. Alright, you gotta kiss me, though.
Alright.
Alright, you kiss me, though. I'm gonna get in trouble for this.
Mira is now gonna see that. What do you think she's gonna say?
Yeah, you're like a woodpecker, dude. Just...
Well, I don't want to stick my tongue in your mouth.
Oh,
I'm not gay, you know. I ain't gay, but motherfucker, I'll I was gonna Hooters.
Yo, dog, we fucking, it's all good. I'm with you now, all right? You ain't going, nah, never mind. We good.
Restrain you?
No,
wait, what did she do? Did she handcuff you?
No, let's not
Stick
go
her
into
finger up your ass? What did she do?
Nah, no fingers in my ass, though.
Dude, I've had it before. It's not
dude,
bad.
it was actually the funniest shit ever, though. You came at me like a woodpecker, dude. You were just like,
all right, you want me to do it again?
I mean, no, chill, dog. Don't do that tongue thing on me, yo.
Tongue in your fucking mouth.
Yo, chill, dog. All right.
Where'd my phone go?
I don't know.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah, let's go to Hooters.
Yo, I'm down for that.
You know what the sponsor, dude. We got to kiss.
Oh, come on, man. Like, tongue. Yo, I can't do tongue, dude. That's like...
Here, you don't...
Wait, that's actually gay.
Dude, Vampire Craig is watching. We got to do...
Oh, come on,
we got to do this.
Dude,
which, by the way, he messaged me.
What did he say?
And he said he's going to suck your dick, and I told him where you live, so...
Dude, you're enabling... Wait, you told him where I live?
Vampire Craig, if you don't suck his dick by next week, I'm going to swear to God, you ain't getting his address, okay?
No. In all seriousness, you're going to create a guy that's creepy as fuck to come to my house, and that's fucked up, dude. Don't come to my fucking house. We are not gay. You are not sucking anyone's dick. Get over it. It's all good, bro. Okay?
I don't know why you say this on stream. Off stream, you tell me that you love him all the time.
Holy shit, you're giving the guy so much hope. You're fucking trolling me so bad.
He said he was going to finger your ass, Craig.
I have never said any of this
Vampire
shit.
Craig.
No.
You fuck.
For real, you are enabling this guy to fucking stalk me right now. Fuck, yo, stop. I will never finger your butthole.
Then
okay?
we have to tongue. In order.
Jesus, dude, you're such a troll.
No, don't tongue me, but I'll just use my tongue on you.
What's that mean?
Just look at me and just close your eyes.
All right.
You don't got to open your mouth or nothing, unless you want. But I gotta do it. I gotta do it.
Why?
I gotta do it.
Why do we have to do this?
I gotta do it, bro.
Dude, are you sure we have to do this?
I got 10 sponsors, dude. I can't. Scam
What is that, like 40 bucks?
I can't scam them. Doesn't matter how much it is. They're gonna.
Bluetooth not working.
They're gonna call me a sociopath on Reddit if I scam them.
All right. I mean, if. All right.
And then they're gonna say cucked by Mira if you don't let me do it.
Well, I could see that. Yeah. I mean, I guess this could prove that I have my balls back, right? Is this how I get my nuts back?
Your balls are always there. Don't let anybody tell you they're not.
Okay.
Now let me fucking tongue you.
All right.
Hold on. Romantic music? Fucking R&B or something?
I can't get it. Okay,
Fuck the Bluetooth, the radio.
I don't fucking know, dude. How do I cancel some shit on the Bluetooth, dude?
This is your car, not mine. I don't know.
Yeah, this fucking thing sucks. Okay, wait. Anyone know how to work these goddamn? Grow Score has one of these. How does it work? Yo, hold up. I don't fucking. We can't get any game music on.
Hold up. Let's just.
We have to do this? My lips are kind of dry.
Don't worry, I'll fix that.
Alright, I'm just gonna act like nothing's happening. Alright, I'm gonna let you. Yeah, I mean, this is actually the gayest thing I've probably ever done.
Just it'll be over in 2 seconds.
Alright.
I don't want to do it either. Already moaning, haven't even done it.
Alright. Alright, go.
Help me out here. Look at me. Oh, we're gonna just do it, bro.
Yo, it's like staring at a giraffe.
Fast, just fast.
It's like staring at a giraffe, dude. It's so nice. Ah! Yo, bro, what the fuck? Okay. Ah! Ew, dude, I need a fucking dose. Ah, it's so gross.
I'm offended, bro.
I'm not offended. I just
I'm like nasty. I'm offended. I'm a disgusting person. What are you trying to say?
No, you're good. You're good.
I'm gonna cry, dude.
You licked me, homie.
Am I only worth as much as this $1 coin?
Yo. Yes. What the fuck? Wait, where are they? Where are we meeting them?
Oh, let me see.